Hey everyone, welcome back. We are absolutely transforming this living room space and we are bringing you along for the ride. Please let me know by hitting that thumbs up or commenting if you like these super fast transformation videos. They're definitely a favorite of ours, but we want to make sure it's something that you guys are loving. So these customers had a very light beige, almost white carpet in this space, and it's a big walkthrough from the front door to the back door. So they wanted it out and they chose this beautiful LVP vinyl to put in place. For homeowners, often picking the color of their vinyl is one of the hardest things to do. We get so many comments asking for recommendations. As always, we had these customers bring a bunch of these planks into their home, put them in different areas with different lighting, set them next to the furniture that they have and the color of the walls to figure out which one works best. And this one, as you'll see at the end, looks absolutely stunning in the space. When we go to install, obviously we removed the carpet, the underlay, and any nails or staples that were there, cleaned it all up before we got started. Next is the direction that you're running the vinyl. You'll want to run it as long as possible. So in this room, we were running the boards the direction that is the longest. You also want the light to run down the length of the vinyl as it will make your room seem bigger. So this was the direction we're going. Generally, we would have actually started on the right-hand side as you're seeing it here. This is our solid wall, but this walkway with the door is the main walkway that you're going to see. So we really wanted to make sure that that was lined up straight. So we decided to start on that way. Taking a little bit of extra time to plan it out before you get started on your installation is going to make a huge difference in the end, making sure you don't have thin little strips down the final side or anything that's slightly off, because no room is perfectly square. Please make sure you check out our channel. We do have detailed videos on all of these little tips that we are giving you so that if you're thinking of taking on a job like this, you'll be able to do it with all the information that you would need. You can see here a number of the tools that we are using. We also have videos on that. So there's a treasure trove of information there that you can check out if you hit that subscribe button. We are Step Up Vinyl, and you can find us at stepupvinyl.ca, and you'll find lots of different information. We are most known for taking flat vinyl plank flooring and turning it into stair nosings, which is way better than the prefab products, if we do say so ourselves, simply because it is made out of the exact same vinyl. So it has the clicks and it can continue. You won't see it in this video, but many of our projects like this one do have at least one nosing. So any stairs that are going down from this level would need a cap where the vinyl ends, and there's no need for a transition or a different height when you use our products. So check out the website. We're also happy to give you tips and tricks for any step of the way, and we also do installation of vinyl, as you will see here. So we're getting close to the end here. You can see we've planned it out, so we have a nice thick strip here along the wall, and even though it is going to be on a slightly different width from one side to the room to the other, because all rooms are not square, we have planned it that it's going to be along this wall, that the couch is covering it, and we have centered it in the room so that it is not noticeable to the naked eye. And that's what you get when you hire people that have been installing vinyl for a long time. So we've got this vinyl in, and we're going to get it nice and clean. No matter what you do when you're installing, there's always dust and debris that is moving around. So we actually spend a huge chunk of our days continuously cleaning up after ourselves, and that is what is happening here. Thank you so much for sticking with us. I promise it's going to be worth it. This reveal is absolutely incredible. The customer has such a beautiful aesthetic, and look at that match with their wooden table and their furniture and their color vibe in this room. Absolutely beautiful. We got the trim in, they got some carpets down, transitions are done. Absolutely stunning. Please hit that thumbs up, give us a subscribe, check out all of our other videos, and we will see you in the next one.